I really needed this trip. I have been passing through really complicated moments, personal complicated moments, that I'm going to tell you all about it, because I think that many of you are passing through the same thing or has passed through the same thing, and I think that not many people in this world talk about it. And I promise that I'm going to tell you all about it. Nonetheless, this video is not for that. I'm going to do another video just for that. But what I wanted to tell you is that I needed to disconnect from my own little world, my own personal situations, and just have connection with nature. And why this is so important? Perspective. It gives you perspective. Because, I don't know, I feel that when you are in your surroundings, when you're in your house, with your people, with your own little circle, your own little bubble, it's pretty easy to just get caught in your own situations, pretty much, because it's what you're talking about, is what you're seeing, is what is your life out there. But when you go to nature, it just gives you, like I said, perspective, because you all of a sudden step out of your little bubble, and you can start observing. And you can start realizing that you form part of this whole planet, this whole system of intelligence, this whole system of look at this, it's amazing, of love, of coexistence. And you just belong. You're just one little dot of the whole universe, of the whole planet. And all of a sudden you start remembering that you don't have to complain, and you have to just let it be and just observe and just learn from it. And I'm just so grateful with God that gave us this magical, intelligent playground, that we can just watch the sun, we can just watch the sunset, the sunrise, the trees, the birds, the animals, the nature. It's just the ultimate intelligence, the ultimate way of love. And I'm so grateful for that. So guys, I just hope that you're gonna love this video, and I just hope that you remind yourself that every time that you feel down, you feel kind of confused, you feel just inside your own little world, step out and just put attention and look the beauty of the world. And you're gonna see that you're gonna find answers of questions that you didn't even know you had. And it's just beautiful. So, my dear friends, we arrived to Yosemite National Park. It has been, a crow is trying to get our food. Hey, no, that's mine. We prepare some delicious oatmeal bars with fruit and smoothie, green smoothie. I love this. Green smoothies with vegan protein shake, lots of green. Yosemite Park. It's huge. There's lots of things to do. It's almost noon. Whoa, look how it's Kyle super prepared. So let's go?
Let's go.
What we brought? We brought
A map.
a map,
A flashlight.
a flashlight, a bear spray,
Human pepper spray.
human, not bear.
Nah.
Jeez. And of course, water. I think that this trip is gonna be especially for pictures. picnic time?
I would say this is 1 degree cold.
I would say the same, yeah. So we have some hours left of daylight.
I think we should go take as many selfies as we can fit between now and sunset.
We're in front of 4 pretty hilarious people that are taking quite a while to take lots of selfies. It's fun, people watching. And I just love picnics. Look at the sun. It feels amazing. So have you been liking here?
This is very cool.
Kyle is not that much into hikes, but I don't know. I think it's changing with me. He likes hikes with me.
I love adventure.
Yeah, that's true. He loves adventure. Let me clean a little bit. It's full of water. It's 4:30 in the afternoon, so it's pretty much the end of the light. The last part I haven't been able to take out much the camera because it has been raining quite a bit. We're not staying here inside Yosemite because we couldn't find rooms here, so we're gonna stay in hotel a little bit outside, so we still have to drive like 1 more hour. You appeared,
Yes.
my hero, with an umbrella.
An umbrella. An umbrella. Don't you feel better under the umbrella?
Kyle in the rescue.
With an umbrella.
You came and rescued me because you're a great man. And this is day 2, and as you're seeing, it's way more colder than yesterday. It's snowing and it's pretty white.
There's a man peeing.
Oh, there's a man peeing there. Lucky him, because I'm peeing and I cannot do that. This is what I am talking you about. Perspective. This is all.